Are you constantly battling health issues that seem all too common these days? High blood pressure, elevated cholesterol levels, and the ever-looming threat of colds and flu are just a few of the health challenges we face in our daily lives. But what if there was a natural solution, a potent remedy right under our noses that could help manage or even prevent these health problems? Intrigued? Well, it's time to hold your breath because here it comes. What if I told you there is a simple natural remedy that can help you with these issues? Enter garlic water. Garlic water, a simple concoction of garlic and water, is more than just a kitchen ingredient. This unassuming drink is prepared by steeping crushed or chopped garlic cloves in water overnight. As the garlic infuses, it imparts its potent properties into the water, creating a healthful beverage that's as easy to prepare as it is beneficial. With such a straightforward process, anyone can make it right at home. But why should you? Well, hold on to your seats, because we're about to dive into the amazing benefits of this humble drink. Garlic water is a powerhouse of health benefits, and today we're going to delve into the first 6 of these incredible benefits. First up, it's a potent booster for your immune system. Consuming garlic water regularly can help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms, making you more resilient against diseases. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties aid in warding off illness-causing germs, fortifying your health from the inside out. Moving on, garlic water also plays a significant role in lowering blood pressure. It contains a compound called allicin, known for its ability to reduce hypertension. By incorporating garlic water into your daily routine, you could be taking a proactive step towards managing your blood pressure levels. Now let's talk about heart health. Garlic water can be your heart's best friend. It helps to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the kind we often refer to as bad cholesterol. This effect can reduce the risk of heart disease and keep your heart functioning at its best. Fourth on the list is the aid to digestion. Garlic water stimulates the digestive system, helping it to efficiently process nutrients and expel toxins. It's like a natural detox for your body, promoting overall gut health and keeping digestive issues at bay. Next, we have the enhancement of skin health. Garlic water is rich in antioxidants that help purify your blood. This purification process leads to healthier, glowing skin. So if you're after a natural glow, garlic water might just be your secret weapon. Lastly, for this part, is the role of garlic water in weight loss. It's known to boost metabolism, helping your body to burn calories more efficiently. Coupled with a balanced diet and regular exercise, garlic water could be a great addition to your weight loss regimen. But that's not all. Garlic water has more to offer. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the multitude of benefits that this simple yet powerful concoction brings to your health. The benefits of garlic water don't stop there. Let's continue our journey into its health-enhancing universe, shall we? Starting with the 7th point on our list, garlic water improves bone health. It's a treasure trove of nutrients such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium, all of which are known for their role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Next up, we have blood sugar control. Garlic water can be a helpful ally in regulating blood sugar levels. Its compounds interact with insulin in the bloodstream, which can be a boon for those managing diabetes. The 9th benefit takes us to the realm of brain health. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in garlic water are like superfood for your neurons. They help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. At number 10, we find that garlic water is a natural antibiotic. Its antimicrobial and antiviral properties can help ward off various infections and illnesses, giving your immune system a helping hand. 11th on our list, garlic water aids in detoxification. It helps cleanse your system by flushing out toxins, acting like a natural detoxifying agent. And finally, at number 12, garlic water boosts energy levels. The essential nutrients it provides can give you a natural energy surge, keeping you active and productive throughout the day. So that sums up the 12 miraculous benefits of drinking garlic water daily. Drinking garlic water daily is a simple habit with powerful health benefits. Think about it. This humble concoction can amplify your immune system, bolster heart and skin health, aid in digestion, and even assist in weight loss. It's an all-around health enhancer, packed into one easy-to-make drink. So why not give garlic water a try and experience its health benefits for yourself? Remember, your health is your wealth.